Recording.
Hey, good morning. I have not come this way to the Deals Gap store in a long time. Mainly because I like 28 better. But I figure it's early in the morning. I'm going to hit it. There's not going to be anybody here. This is US129 that we're on right now, in case you're wondering. If we see a car between here and Deals Gap, it's going to be that's going to be out of place. I wouldn't expect to see a car. We're absolutely not going to see a motorcycle. This is a July morning. I must say it was 71 degrees when I left the house. This is a June morning, almost July. It was very hot yesterday, and it did not cool off overnight. I'm on the Monster. I have a fresh set of tires underneath me. I'm going to say that right now these tires probably have about 40 miles on them, if that. And I was going to run a different direction and show you video through the Nantahala Gorge, but with I-40 shut down, there was just way too much traffic. So at the last minute, I turned off on US129. This is worth it though. Kicked around doing the Skyway, but I figured I'll just come up here to the Deals Gap store, get a drink, and get back to the house before that sun pops through the clouds. Once that sun burns through the clouds, it's going to be another hot day. Not this hot here. I think we got in the 90s a couple days this week. It might hit 90 today. If we're lucky, it won't hit 90 again this year. Right. It's just been a weird year. It's been a lot of rain. But there's still nowhere else I'd rather be. Motorcycles heading out of Robbinsville this morning. There was probably 25 of them. Typically, I don't see bikes on the road this early. It's 8 o'clock, if you're wondering. I like getting out about 6:30 when it's daylight. So there's Topeka Lodge. I haven't eaten there yet this year. Oh, there's a motorcycle out. This is the Fugitive Dam right there. In case any of you movie buffs want to drive around Graham County and find places that have been in the movies, that's one of them. Heard me whining about 28 needing to be paved. This area needs to be paved too. It's bumpy. Graham County doesn't spend their tourism dollars where that needs to be spent. If they'd fix some of these roads and pave more of the cool roads like Joyce Kilmer, they'd bring more tourist dollars into this area. It feels like, because the roads are so bad in North Carolina, the tourists seem to come more from like Knoxville. Alright, we're here. Fields Gap Motorcycle Resort and Store. I have to get some gas. So I'll chat at y'all later. Mm-hmm.